Okay, you guys, so we are going to go over this one really quick. Um, so that's your lesson, that's your standard, and this is your objective. And then, so for this one, the expression is basically a math sentence with a minimum of two numbers. It can also be variables, but we're not going to go into that until we get to the actual variables. So I don't want to confuse you. And at least one math operation, meaning addition, subtraction, multiplication, division. And this one does not have an equal sign. So for example, if I have 3 plus 5, that will be a math expression. It does not have an equal sign. Okay, it has two numbers, no equal sign. So that's an expression. Once you get it to the equal sign, that will be an equation. So that's basically just a math expression. When we have a fraction, the top number is the numerator and the bottom number is the denominator. This one tells you how many. This one tells you, this one right here tells you how big the pieces are. So basically how many chunks, how many equal parts do you divide the whole into, okay? So let's get to this one really quick. So again, we're going to be using diagrams and expressions to represent division situations. This is important for us to know because right here, right, a fraction line is a division sign. So whenever you have a division sign, that's basically a fraction sign. When you see a fraction right here, this is basically means divided by. Okay, so here we go. Let's go into this one. We have 2 galletas, and then you divide that into 3 people. So if we use our diagrams that we've been using, I can go ahead and divide them by 3. So I can just pretend they're equal parts, okay? So I can divide them by 3. I need to get my pen back. So I can divide them by 3. Okay. Okay. So in this case, I can number them. I can say, okay, this is the first person, second person, third person, again, first person, second person, third person. And then I can circle my ones, right? Because this person is getting this part and this part, okay? So that person is getting 2 pieces, right? So how big are the pieces? They are divided into thirds. So if I were to combine these two, it will be like these 2 parts right here. So then it's 2 divided by 3. Okay, again, how many do I have? 2. How many do I divide by 3? How do I write a division expression? I'm going to go 2 divided by 3. Okay, so 2 divided by 3. Okay, because this fraction line means division. Okay, so now I'm going to go to this one. So this one is 2 cookies, and I'm going to divide that among 5 people. Okay, so I'm going to chop my cookie among 5 people. So just pretend they're the same, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Try it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And again, I can number then. This is person 1, person 2, person 3, 4, and 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Okay, so if I were to circle again, this person is getting those 2 pieces, right? But they're fifths because I divided my whole into 5 pieces. So that would be 2 over 5. Okay, and how do I write this into a division expression? I'm going to go 2 divided by 5. Okay, last one. So now I have 3 cookies. I'm going to divide it into 7 people. Okay, so I'm going to divide each cookie into 7 parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1 piece, 2 pieces, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Just pretend they're the same, okay? My drawing looks horrible because I'm using a computer, but because you're going to be doing it with your hand, it's going to be easier for you to create those equal parts. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, another line right here, 5, 6, 7. Okay, so again, if I were to number them, right, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and I'm going to do the same thing on all of them. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So, okay, I'm not going to do it just because I'm having a hard time moving those things. And then, so, but I need you to do it on your notebook, okay? So this one is, again, they're going to get 3, right? But how big are the pieces? They're 7s. So they're going to get 3 7ths. How do I write that into a division expression? 3 divided by 7. And if you notice, there's actually a pattern. There's a pattern right here. Look, you have 2 cookies. You have your 2 here. You had 2 cookies again. Numerator, right? Right here. You don't have to circle them in your notebook. I'm just showing you because it's gonna look messy. And then you have 3 cookies. So you have your 3. And then right here, you're dividing by 3 people. So you have the 3 here, the 3 there. You divide it by among 5 people. Denominator. It tells you how many pieces to divide it into. 7, 7, 7. Okay? Alrighty. That's it for today.